Hello friend, how is going on? Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about the status stack buffer overrun error in Chrome browser. Most of the Chrome browser users are facing this problem. It is very easy to sort out the problem, so don't delay. Let's go to find the solution. First, open the Chrome browser. In address bar, you have to type chrome clone /flag /use -angle and press enter. After entering, you will find a new page and there is a highlighting option you find, and the option is choose angle graphics backend. This is default in settings. Click on the default, then you have to set D3 D11. Click on that. After clicking on D3 D11, in bottom right side you will get a button Relauncher. Click on it. After pressing the relaunch button, the page will be reopened again, and hope your problem will be solved and the error will be gone. Here please be noted, we have to repeat this process every time after restarting the PC or laptop. If you like the video, please subscribe STATUS Pro, and if you have any question, please feel free ask me. I will see every comments of you and give you the solution. Thank you. Goodbye.